Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial dedicated to help you remove the new adware, which is called LaserMacroKnowledge. LaserMacroKnowledge is the adware that is from the adload malware family. We found this adware while inspecting new submissions to the virus total database. So after analyzing this piece of software, we found out that it actually operates as a typical adware. Once installed, it starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive pop-ups not related to the sites that you actually visit. Also, it may cause unwanted browser redirections to many other deceptive and even malicious websites. If this LaserMacroKnowledge was mistakenly installed some way or another into your Mac computer, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately. Check your Finder on your Mac, go to your applications. So if you locate this program called LaserMacroKnowledge, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you find anything else that is suspicious, of course, remove it too. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, my recommendation is that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and start researching the system with its help to detect and delete other infections. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.